Hi, in this video, we'll guide you through creating a basic form using HTML and CSS. We'll cover essential form elements like text fields, labels, and buttons and show you how to style them for a user-friendly experience. By the end of this video, you'll have the skill to build interactive forms for your web page. So let's dive into this video. Create a new folder and open that folder with VS Code. And here you will have to create two files, index.html and style.css. Get boilerplate with emit abbreviation in index.html and link style.css in your HTML file. Now give a title, job application. Now here make a container, div.container, and a box div, and here I'm typing h1 tag job application. Now create a form, type form, and here make a container dot form container. Another div of form element. Here we will be using form elements with label, input, and etc. We will be using that. Now type label and first name. For first name and first name, type input, and it name will be first name, ID will be first name, and placeholder John. I enabled word wrap to grade view and opening it with live server, and you can see their job application has been created. Now go to style.css and give margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, and dot container. It max width will be 900 pixel and margin 0 auto to align content in center. Box dot box, and box max width will be 600 pixel and margin will be 0 auto, and margin top will be 50 pixel and padding will be 20 pixel, and border radius will be 10 pixel, and box shadow 2 pixel, 5 pixel, 6 pixel, RGBA 1, and green will be 1, blue will be 1, and alpha should be 0.1. Now give background color white, and body background will be gray color, some sort of gray color. Now you can see it is looking very good. Now copy this form element and paste it down of this div, and here change it first name to last name. Another input will be a last name, so change the form element into last name for last name, and change the label into last name, and a placeholder will be DOI. Now paste it again, and it will be for our email contact number. Type contact, and name will be contact, first name, ID will be contact, and contact will be 1 2 3 4 etc. Now paste it again, and here we will typing with the help of alt key we are typing email. We will put email and johndoe@gmail.com. Paste it again here, paste it, and now this time we will be using job role. For will be job role. We should use job position, and for will be job position. Now we'll have to cut input tag from here, and you select, and name will be job position, ID will be job position, and option, we will be using for job option, front-end developer, front-end, and copy it 4 times and change it according to your positions. Second will be backend, and third will be full stack dev. After creating full stack, after making full stack dev, and we will now create option for UI UX designer, and value will be UI UX. After that we will be adding postal code. No, we will be using address. Change it to address. Label will be address, and cut it, and here you will have to add text area tag, and name will be address, ID will be address, and calls will be for 30, and row will be 4. Now open with live server, and here you can see this is looking great. Now what we will have to add is postcode. Copy that and paste it again, and here we will be using postal code, and label will be postal code, and type will be number. Now you can see that. Now paste it again, paste form element div again, and here we will be putting file, and label will be for uploading your CV. So here we will type upload your CV. Now later on, jumping on to next div, and here we will have to create button container, and using a button with apply now, and which on click will be submit. Now you can see here our job application is ready. Now what will we have to do now is adding some CSS here. So first, form container display should be grid. Margin top will be 20 pixel. Grid template columns will be repeat auto fit. Min max 200 pixel, 1 FR. Gap should be 20 pixel. Now how it looks. Now type.form element, target.form element, and it display will be flagged. Flag direction will be column. Now see, it's looking great. Now edit label, font size will be 15 pixel. Here we go. Now you can see it. Margin bottom will have to add margin bottom for bottom margin 5 pixel, and target our input text area, and select give font size 15 pixel, padding 6 pixel, 10 pixel, border will be 1 pixel solid gray, and border radius will be 4 pixel. Now it's looking great. Now what will we have to do is button container, target the button container, display will be flex, justify content will be flex n. Now margin top will be 30 pixel. Text area resize none. Button container, button padding will be 12 pixel and 8 pixel, and and background color will be red, and border will be 2 pixel solid. Transparent color will be black. Transition will be 3-second ease in. Now there is a mistake. Cursor pointer. Border radius will be 8 pixel. Now add some CSS when hovering on the button, so we'll have to add hover on button style. Change this style. Border will be this, and color will be red. Background color will be CC, and change border into black, and transition 0.3 second is out. There is a problem with my box. Let's figure out this problem. So I am removing transition from here to sort out this problem. This problem is not going. Now you can see here I didn't added borders, so the problem has been gone. Now we should use transition again and ease out, and border 2 pixel solid. Give the border, and here transition is not smooth as I want, so change it. Oh, I didn't use point on first one. So now you can see this is created. First name Mr. Unique, last name email mrunique@gmail, contact front-end dev. You can use it to your purpose. Now change this postal code to type into text, so we can use write postal code. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up.